If you have been banned from Wish and believe it was a mistake, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, email address, and any communication you have received regarding the ban. This information will be essential for your appeal. Step 2. Review the terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Wish's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding the rules can help you identify if there was a misunderstanding or if you may have inadvertently violated any policies. Step 3. Contact customer support. Visit the Wish website and locate the customer support section. Use the appropriate contact method, such as email or live chat, to reach out to their support team regarding your ban. Step 4. Submit a detailed appeal. In your communication, clearly explain why you believe the ban was unjust. Include your gathered information, express your understanding of the rules, and politely request a review of your case. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up with customer support. Be patient and courteous, as the review process may take some time. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban on Wish. Good luck, and hopefully you will have your account reinstated soon.